Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through that how to get meta verified icon on your Instagram. So what you need to do is open up your Instagram. After that you have to click on this three dot bar icon top right here. Then here you can see here is an option settings and privacy. You have to click on it. After that you have to click on accounts center. Please watch the full video to solve your problem. So what you need to do is next is click on the accounts center right here. Then after that you have to scroll down right here. Here you can see in the last option there is an option meta verified. Okay, you have to click on meta verified. After that you have to click on next. Here you can see here is a bunch of option, you have to read it all. Okay, after reading it you have to click on next. So you need to sign up or sign in your account which you wanna get verified. I'm gonna click on this account right here. Okay, so here you can see here is a billing option that you will be billed 960 BDT. It is Bangladeshi Taka. It will be shown in your country currency. Okay, so after that you have to pay the amount of your verified badge. Okay, after paying the amount your verified badge will be appear in your profile. So this is pretty much it. This is how you can get your meta verified badge in your Instagram. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.